What's up, guys? Next day here. We are on our way to pick up the new auction car that we won a couple of days ago. Finally got some time to pick it up, man. And we're gonna pick it up and head straight to the car wash if we can. Also gonna get this oil change. We gotta get this thing running and making sure it's A1 really fast because the title is gonna be here in a couple days now. So yeah, let's get that right. We'll pull up there and I'll be back with you in a sec. This is the best view we're gonna get before the car is clean, so enjoy it. They already getting ready for next Saturday's auction. They got another Chevy Malibu up here next auction. Wow, can't wait to see back what that thing goes for. Somebody asked me about that car in the comments. I'm sure any week now it's gonna go up for sale. Alrighty guys, we are just now leaving the auction. The total for an expedited title to come next week in my name, clean title, was just under 800 bucks. So I think I got a pretty good deal, because even at Copart you'll pay for all the stuff and then you still gotta wait. If you have a broker, you still gotta wait for the title, and it might not even like come like fast. So we're gonna go drop off the Altima, come back, and then I have to grab my car wash sticker out of my other car so I can just head straight to the car wash, get this thing all cleaned up, if you will, because you know I can't have this thing dirty. I can't be riding in it super dirty. So we'll get this thing picked up and we'll get it all cleaned up today. So hopefully everything goes smooth. Alrighty guys, we made it back to the auction. Let's pick this bad boy up and see if it'll start right up. I don't even remember. You think something was wrong with this one?
The Hyundai?
Yeah. Nah. You don't even remember where y'all snatched it from, huh? Dang, they didn't even come pick up the Chevy yet. They playing.
I got that tomorrow.
Oh, cool. So this the Tucson right here. You guys see it? Let's get a first little glimpse of the walk around. Oh, yeah. We're gonna need to pressure wash that joint. Not too bad. Not too bad. Got a little radio. This thing just needs to be cleaned really good. Got a sunroof. You didn't see that. That's cool. Let's see. Start it right up. Start it right up. Need a little gas. Need a lot of gas. Let's hope he get me to where I need to go. Shoot. Appreciate you, man. No, so I just drive up to the gate.
Yeah, pull in the gate, open the gate for you.
Okay, thank you, buddy. Oh, all right, thanks. All right, guys, let's. Hey, windows work. Yeah, we need a fucking wash on this thing super bad, and some gas. So we'll probably get some gas first, keep this thing running. Oh yeah, wow, I'm pretty surprised. This thing runs pretty good already. Like, I remember you guys were saying this was like a pretty good buy, and I'm not even gonna lie, I'm feeling like it's a really good buy now. This thing feels really good. It really just needs a really nice wash, and we'll really be able to tell. So hang on a hot sec. We're gonna pull over here. There's my girl. Her Beamer's still looking nice. Let me get some stuff out the back so I can detail this joint. But yeah, y'all, it started right up, man. It's looking really good. This thing is pretty dirty, but for 05, I'm expecting that. But man, this is a pretty decent ride, and I'm not even gonna try the sunroof until after I get it washed. I don't want to freaking have the sunroof stuck open before we go to the car wash. but we really need some gas. We got maybe a line left. No lights on the dash, however, one of these doors is open. I don't know which one it is. Maybe that one, I don't know. Let's see which one is open, because that door light is still on. So let's see. Oh, this door. Good to go. Not really much of a squeak. Maybe it's the belt. I don't know. We'll see in a hot sec. Let's get this thing to the freaking, put some gas in it and then to the car wash. Alrighty guys, now on first glance the thing is running pretty smooth. It really just skirted out of the driveway, to be honest. Oh man, this is crazy. Oh, we got some brakes. The car might have been sitting a while, so that's probably why the brakes are revving like that. But it's not too bad. We'll stop right here, get a little thing, a couple gallons of 91 gas, and get this thing all on the road. Made it to the gas station. Let's hope we don't get jacked, because we're gonna keep the car on, because if we cut it off, it's gonna die. So yeah, let's not even set ourselves up for disaster right now. Let's just keep the ball rolling. Man, I can't wait to knock the dust off this joint. This thing is so dirty, but it is pretty silent. Didn't see that there. Oh, come on, guy. There we go. What is no freaking gas cap? Wow. So we're gonna need a gas cap. Yeah, we'll really see after this thing is clean, because it's just too dirty for comfort. Definitely gonna need some new tires. But hopefully we can get it sold before all that. See how the back is just pretty dirty. Like, I'm gonna use that seat cleaner that I use for the Altima. I'm pretty sure all this is gonna come right up, and it's gonna look really fantastic in here. I really wish I would have brought it. I would have did it right now at the car wash, but later on I'll do that. Let's just focus on getting this thing cleaned up, because it's filthy right now. So as we sit at a light right here, we just take a notice that mileage says 218, 149. So you still got about 2,000 miles to go before you need an oil change, which is pretty good. So this thing has been in there for a few months, so you already know they probably had just got an oil change and a little tune up, because it's actually running really good. All it needed was some really good gas. We throw some 91 in there, and this thing is running like a champ. Let's see. Oh, the radio actually works. They have their own little aux cord or whatever you call it. But we'll turn that off for copyright purposes. But yeah, this thing is really dirty, guys. I can't wait to see how much just this that carpet cleaner that we used on the Altima is going to do on this thing, because it is just filthy. I can't wait to get it clean. It's too dirty for my liking. So pulling right on in, man. So let's get it. The water coming through nowhere. We might have to take this thing like 2 times, to be honest. Alrighty guys, so right on first glance it looks a lot better already. Proud to be a Marine. It's looking really good and clean. Got some water spots, dirty rims, which we'll probably hit with the pressure washer or something. Get the razor blade to get all this writing and stuff off. But yeah, just with the dirt off, a quick little wash. It looks better already, and I don't have like my detailing McGuire spray, so I can't really hit it up right now. But man, did that do a little justice. It's made us look a lot better. So I guess we'll open this door up and start getting this thing all vacuumed out and cleaned up and everything. Okay, so we pretty much got it cleaned up and got the interior pretty much vacuum cleaned to our best abilities without any scrubber yet, of course. So it still looks kind of dull. I have no like spray products with me right now, so I can't clean any of this stuff up right now, but we will get a full detail on this real soon. Maybe tomorrow we'll get the rest of this car finished up with all the seats and all that. That'll be a whole separate video in itself. Just getting the interior right. We'll be getting those wheels pressure washed and everything. But these seats, man, it was so much like chips and stuff. They must have had a whole like little family back here, because it was so many little chips and stuff back here in these little crevices and these little creases right here. Like a whole Cheeto bag, all type of stuff. So got that. I'm sorry, this is hanging off. We can probably get that right back in there somehow. The back is pretty much vacuumed out. We do have some little compartment back here. I think this must be. Oh, we got the original owner's manual that came with it. We also got a spare tire under there and a tire changer or whatever. We got a freaking wheel lock. I don't know if we're gonna use that, but that's that. We really need to get these seats cleaned up, because they are horrible. Like them kids tore this thing up. But even if you like just check it out, like, man, that thing looks really good. And it dries even better. Like, all it needed was some really good gas. We still got to get that gas cap. Do our best to get these seats clean. These are pretty dirty. Pretty dirty there. Then for what it's worth, we're gonna get these tires shined up, try to make it look a little better here. So yeah, we'll get that, and then we'll go to get a gas cap and maybe get some McGuire's and wipe this thing down. So I'll catch you guys in a hot sec. And yeah, last snippet before we pull off, man, and this thing is looking a lot better already. Can't wait to take some pictures of this thing, head up to the dirt or something, because it is 4-wheel drive, guys, so stay tuned for that. Wow, guys, and just like that, this thing is freaking clean, riding smooth, no lights on the dash. We got a little bit of premium gas in there, so it's making this thing ride really, really good. Man, we got the little sunroof back, not open yet, because I want to just wait to see if it works. I'll let you guys see. Forget it, let's try it. Hold on, let's stop first. I don't want to crash. Let's get some air in here. Now the AC does work, however, I want to get all the fluids and stuff checked out before we actually run it. It is really hot out here, so I just want to make sure before, you know, I don't want to overheat this thing if we really don't have to. So okay, so the top doesn't work at all, which is fine. I'm glad we didn't try that out before the wash, so we know that doesn't work. But everything else in here, and let's try it out. The radio works, man. AC works. Everything is good in this car, hopefully. Now when I turn, I hear a little bit of like, maybe like squeaking or whatever. Maybe the ball joints or something is loose, I don't know. We'd have to get it checked out, but all in all, man, this thing runs really smooth. Like, not even complaining. Rides really smooth, looks really good. All we really need is just to get all that funky riding off the window, and this thing is gonna look beast. Alrighty, guys, we made it back to the house here, man, and this thing looks really, really good. I'm actually excited about this buy. Like, I think this one will really bring in a pretty decent profit. As you know, you win some, you lose some. So you know, I'm needless to say, on the last couple cars, it could have been better. We was expecting to make more, so if I didn't make what I expected, I feel like I lost, even if I did make something. So that's that. But man, this thing cleaned up really great, and it's not even really clean. We haven't even pressure washed the wheels, none of that. So just imagine tomorrow, or whenever I get a chance to really get these seats and flooring and everything, it's really gonna look really good. And then if you open this sunroof, it brings in that much more light to make everything look that much better. So if you open up the back here, oh man, it looks really good because you're sitting up pretty high. You know, you're in an SUV, you got the little sunroof, you got some space. Like, it's pretty decent, man. So needless to say, I'm very excited with this buy. Just based on all the recent rides that we got, because it is really decent. Like, if you just look at it, it runs really good, you guys seen. So we're gonna go grab that gas cap and see if we can get done with this thing. But that's probably gonna be a wrap for today's video, guys. Just a quick update, picking up the car, you know, getting it clean before we really dig into it, man, because it was so dirty I couldn't even park it out here looking like it was nobody's car. So now that we got it all cleaned up, tomorrow we'll get some more stuff on it done on it. So as always, guys, be sure to like, comment, follow, and subscribe. And I haven't mentioned the Altima, but we are trying to get this thing sold here pretty soon, man. We got a couple interested buyers. We are selling this thing pretty low at around $3,000 or best offer, maybe even cheaper if you have the cash in person. So if you are interested in this thing, you guys seen it, man, get at me. No need to keep it. I'm trying to move forward. So yeah, as always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't, share the video, whatever you want to do. Appreciate it, guys. Peace out.